Hello guys, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn something new and let's also talk about how can we earn some money right from your house by just referring to your friends. So teamlease.com, you all know Freshers World is a Teamlease company. If you open teamlease.com, or I'll be sharing a link in the description below, you just come there. Let's see what they are saying. Refer your female friends and relatives and earn rupees 500 rupee for each reference. So for which job? We are hiring female delivery bikers for the world's largest e-commerce company, Pan India. Even if you are from any place in India, you can do this. And even hiring is also Pan India basis, like in all major cities in India. So after clicking here, you will be redirected to this page. So what it is saying here: Hi, welcome to Refer and Earn. I am Reva, your Teamlease hiring buddy. We are hiring female delivery bikers for the world's largest e-commerce company. If you know a friend or a relative who knows how to ride a bike or a scooty, here is her chance to earn big bucks. So if your friend or relative doesn't have a scooty, still we can provide you in rental basis. So here is how you can earn. Earn as much as you can refer. So it's not limited to 500 rupee. How many people you refer, that many 500 rupee you can get. If your referred candidate joins and work for 30 days, you can earn rupees 500 per hire. So if you have lot of friends to refer, that much money you can earn and they will also get a good job opportunity. Let's see what they are asking for. Ready for a few questions. Just click on get started. Please enter your name. Kindly enter your 10-digit mobile number. Just give your phone number here. Name of the candidate you want to refer. At a time only one person you can do. Kindly enter 10-digit mobile number for the referred candidate. So here you have to give that particular person's phone number. If you are giving your sister, if you are giving your friends, or if you are giving any relatives, that person phone number you have to give here. For now, I just gave my same phone number here, but you have to give that person's phone number here. Here it gave you thank you message and it is saying preferred location of the candidate referred. So even if you belong to Hyderabad, you can also refer a person who is in Delhi. So now I am staying in Bangalore, but I am referring a person who is staying in Andhra Pradesh. So I am clicking here. So here if you can see, thank you so much for the referral. If you want to refer more after submitting this form, you just go to the link in the description below. Again you click it and again refer some other person there. So here are the details here. For more details, connect with the recruiter's contact information below. So for each area, say Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune. So here they have given email IDs and phone number. For example, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to these people. If you belong to Ahmedabad, directly you can contact here. If you belong to Chennai, you can contact to Soundarya Gopi. So that is how you can directly contact. But you have to just click on submit, then only till now this whole process will be submitted. So how many times you do, that many times individually it will take a separate forms. So once if your referred person get into a job and work for 30 days, obviously you will get 500 rupees. How many people you refer, that many 500s will come. And the good thing is it's a beautiful e-commerce company. Everything will be discussed by HR professionals when they call you back. So all the best guys. I hope this information will be useful for you or for your friends or for your relatives. I know a lot of people have lost their job and a lot of people are looking for an immediate job. So even if this video is not exactly useful for you, please do share with the friends who are looking for a job. So guys, I'll be keeping this link in the description below. All the best guys. We are coming up with more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.